Hey there, I'm Garrett from the Software Training Lab, and today we're going over how to make ripple edits in Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, let's break down what a ripple edit is. Normally, when you adjust any clip in the timeline, nothing else around it changes. For example, when I shorten this clip, I'm left with this awkward gap. This can make your workflow feel sluggish and clunky when you constantly have to adjust other clips to fill in those gaps. Ripple edits help us by adjusting the timeline whenever we adjust an individual clip. The easiest way to see how a ripple edit works is through a gap in your timeline. If you delete a clip or move a clip and leave a gap behind, right-click on the gap and choose Ripple Delete. This will shift everything in the timeline to fill that space. We can also skip this extra step by right-clicking and choosing Ripple Delete directly. There's also a shortcut for this, which is Alt, or if you're on a Mac, Option, and Backspace. Premiere also includes a Ripple Edit tool with the shortcut B that ripples edits to other clips. It can be found here in your toolbar. Just drag the end of a clip with the Ripple Edit tool, and you'll notice that other clips are affected by it in the timeline. This works in both directions too, which can be a little hard to wrap your head around. For example, if I take the left edge of this clip and bring it to the right to shorten it, it actually shifts everything to the left. Premiere also has two quick shortcuts that let you make ripple edits super quickly. Place your playhead where you want to edit the clip and press Q to ripple delete backwards. You'll notice that this clip has been shortened, but it also deleted some of the audio with it. Keep that in mind. We can also use W to ripple delete forwards. Again, some of the audio has been clipped. Use ripple edits to make your workflow faster and more efficient. In the next video, we're going to talk about two more editing tools, Slip and Slide.